In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to make money online by just writing articles. And the interesting thing is, you don't even need to write this article by yourself, because I'm going to show you 3 ways to get these articles and make money online. And the very first thing that we should care for is to know how this particular website works. And I'm going to explain to you in basic terms. This particular website that we're going to be using today serves as a network to other websites who are looking for people that are going to write articles for them. And these websites are willing to pay you between $200 to $2,000 a day if you can write a compelling articles. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get these articles for free. And the website that we're going to be using today is called Money Pantry. And since this website offers various ways to make money online, we are going to be using a specific part of this website. What you need to do is to go over to Google and write moneypantry.com get paid to write. And it's going to be the first thing that's going to show up. Alright, what you need to do is to hit on the button and you're going to be on this page just like this. Okay, and no matter where you're coming from, being America, Asia, Africa, Europe, Oceania, no matter where you live in the world, you have the opportunity to start making money from this website. Okay, your location shouldn't be something that's going to hold you back. Alright, and once you're on this page, what you want to do is to go down a little bit and come over to this place where it says table of content. Okay, once you click on the link, you're going to see many different articles that you can write and be generating money. The very first one on the list is going to pay you to write an article about vacation, and the second category is going to pay you to write about general interest, and the third one is going to pay you to write about short stories. Don't worry, like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to show you how to get these articles. Okay, but it's very important for you to know what you're writing about and what you need to know. Okay, and so I would advise you not to skip any part of this video. Even if you are just starting out, it's your first time using the internet, don't worry, it doesn't require any experience to get anything started here. Even if you are just a beginner, you can still get it started and make money with these strategies that I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, then you continue to check all other categories that are willing to pay you money. You can see most of them are going to pay you between $200 for a post. This one is going to pay you $2,000 per article that you're going to write for them. Alright, this very one that said cricket magazine is going to pay you 25 cents per reward. Once you are checking the offers, also try and check how much they are willing to pay per each article or per post that you're going to write. Okay, because some of them also are going to pay you per reward. Alright, now let's assume you've seen a particular website that offers something that interests you. Okay, what you need to do is to hit on the website. Okay, then it's going to take you to the main page. The first thing you need to do is to read the instruction, read what is written here, so that you have a little knowledge what the website is all about. Okay, this very one is about American gardening, and it has up to about 20,000 members on the page. And the main topics that are going to be discussed in the page are going to be about farming and gardening. Okay, and for short article, if you see what they're written here, for shorter articles they are willing to pay between $150 to $200. Okay, and if your article is of feature length, at the end of the day you're going to be making between $300 to $600 per each article that you're going to be writing on this American gardener. Okay, if you choose any article here, the first thing you're going to do is to read what it's all about. Alright, for the sake of this video I'm using the farming, but it doesn't mean that you're going to be using the same farming article. Alright, you can see this very one right here is all about unemployment. Okay, and these people are asking you to write an article with just 350 words. They are willing to pay between $50 to $100 per article that you write on their page. And once you have a brief knowledge about the article, about the post, you're going to hit on the website so that you will be redirected to their main page. Okay, this is the home page of the very article that says you write about farming. What you want to do is to read everything that is written here. Okay, what they are looking for. All the pages are not going to be the same. Okay, it's going to be different. Submitting an article proposal, you're going to read it to understand which email you are going to send the article to. Alright, then also you're going to come over to the payment section to know how much they are willing to pay you. Like this very particular one, they are willing to pay between $300 to $600 on publication. That means once they accept your article, you're going to be getting this type of money here. Alright, and for the sake of this video, I will continue to use this website that's going to pay you to write about farming and gardening. So on their homepage, for you to have a little knowledge about it, what you need to do is to click on this button that said about us and come to this place that says what we do. Okay, it's going to be the same step for all other websites. Okay, it doesn't really mean that you're going to be using only this particular website. You can see they say their mission is to share with all Americans the critical roles of plants. Okay, so all the posts in this website is all about plants and gardening. So for you to write a compelling articles about this particular website, the first thing to do is to go over to Google. Okay, what you are going to search for is going to be according to the offer that you choose. Since we choose the one of plant, what we are going to do is to write something like importance of gardening at home. Okay, you can click any of this article right here. For the sake of this video, I'm going to click on this particular one right here. Okay, and once it's open up, you're going to read it a little bit to have a brief knowledge about it. Regarding to anything that you choose, how you are going to do it is once you read a portion of it and you see that it makes sense to you, what you're going to do is to copy it. Just copy the page, hit on copy, then you go over to Google again, search for this website that is called Spinbot, alright, and it's going to be the very first one that is going to show up. Click on the Spinbot, then you're going to be on this page just like this. Okay, you don't even need to create your account here. What you are going to do is to paste your text that you copy from other website to this page. Okay, you're going to see the text right here. Now what you are going to do is to refresh this text. Okay, once you refresh it, everything is going to be different. Alright, to do that, you're going to come over to this red arrow, then you're going to click on the arrow, and they are going to give you a little puzzle like this to solve for them to verify that you are a human. To do that, just hit on this arrow, drag it until it aligns with this particular drawing. Okay, just leave it like that. Then it's going to spin your text. Everything is going to be refreshed, and all the grammars are going to change, and all the words are going to change also. This is the version of this, but it has been refreshed and it has been written in a different form. Okay, if the particular website sets the words that you are going to write, the total words like 200 to 300 words, for you to do that, what you're going to do is to copy this. Okay, when you copy this, come over to Google again and search for word counter. It's going to be the first that is going to show up. Just click it, then you're going to be here. What you need to do is to paste the article that you copy. You're going to paste it here. Then it's going to tell you how many words and characters that are present in the article. Okay, this very one that I copy has 275 words with more than 1,000 characters. Okay, you can only do this if the particular website or the offer is asking you to count the words. Okay, because some of them are ask you for the exact words and some others are not going to request for the exact numbers. Okay, doing this, you're going to come over to the mail website, check for the email. That is the main reason why I said you're going to read everything that is present here. Check for the email is present here. You're going to correct your article and send it to this particular email. And once accepted, you're going to get paid. Alright, once accepted, you're going to get paid between $150 to $600 per that article. Alright, if you are finding this video interesting so far, I want you to go ahead and give me a thumbs up so that the YouTube will push this video out to other people who are looking for ways to make money online. Alright, so the second way that you can get this free article is to use this software that's called Writer. Okay, once you're on the home page, what you need to do is to select your preferred language. Okay, and select the tone. You can choose anything from here. Okay, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna choose something like thoughtful. Okay, then you're gonna choose your user case. On that, you might choose something like blog session writing. Okay, for the session topic, you can write something like farming and gardening. Okay, and for the session keywords, you can write something like importance of farming, importance of gardening, and once you've done that, the variant, you might choose 1, 2, 3. It's going to be depends on you. This variant, if you choose 1, is going to write the article in only one form. If you choose 3, it's going to write the articles in 3 form. Then the creativity, you leave it at optimal. Okay, and once you've done that, you're going to hit on this button that said write for me. Then all the whole text are going to be present here. Okay, just like the very first one, control it. If there is something you need to remove, you're going to remove it. And once you've done that again, you're going to come over to word counter, paste it here to see how many words you've written. Alright, and once you try those 2 methods, you see that it's working. What you're going to do is to reduce the time for more money. Okay, to do that, you're going to go over to Fiverr. I decided to use Fiverr as the last method because firstly, you need to try the other 2 methods. Once it's working for you, you can come over and use this method. If the first 2 methods didn't work for you, no need to use this method. Okay, so what you need to do on Fiverr is to search for article writing. Okay, you're going to choose the one that is not so high. Each time you pay this guy $5, he's going to write a compelling article for you. And doing that, you're not even going to be doing anything by yourself. Then you're going to send it to the website. That is how you're going to be doing it over and over again. Okay, I advise you to really come to Fiverr if you must have tested out the very 2 websites. Okay, because those 2 websites are absolutely free, because Fiverr will require you to pay some amount of money before they can write any article for you. Okay, so try the first 2 methods, and when it's working for you, come over to Fiverr to save your time so that you have more articles to be writing, and at the end of the day, you're going to be making more money from this website. Okay, you can see there are a lot of things that you can write about. Alright, so if you watch this video to this point, I want you to go out there and test it out yourself. Okay, don't just watch the video and drop it. I want to watch the video and put the work into text. Okay, and if you don't want to make money in this way, you can actually click on this video right here or even this playlist, and it's going to show you different ways and different strategies that you can use to make more money online. So see you next time when I post another video again just like this on how to stay at the comfort of your home and make money online. Cheers! Peace out.